while freeing cannabis users in those states from prohibition and increasing tourist and revenue opportunities, estimated at about $380 million per year in Washington and $60 million per year in Colorado. The changes will also force the United States federal government, Canada, and other countries to have serious discussions about drug reform. One reason being that enforcement will prove difficult in Colorado, Washington, and nearby states and provinces with conflicting laws. According to Rolling Stone's Tim Dickinson, 7 more states are likely to legalize cannabis in the near future. Also, medical cannabis is currently legal in 18 states and Canada.